The orange light on your EETV mini box is actually a sophisticated diagnostic indicator that tells you exactly what's happening with your device's connectivity. When you see a flashing orange light, it typically indicates your box is experiencing connectivity issues. This could mean several different problems with your Wi-Fi connection. The orange light behavior follows a specific pattern that helps diagnose the exact issue. Let's break down what each type of orange light pattern means. First, a solid orange light appears during the initial startup sequence. This is normal and means your device is booting up and preparing to connect. Next, regular flashing orange means the device is actively searching for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Rapid flashing orange indicates the device is in the authentication phase, verifying your Wi-Fi password and network credentials. Slow flashing orange means the device is trying to establish a stable connection. It has found your network but is working to maintain a reliable link. When everything works correctly, the orange light will eventually change to a solid white or blue light, indicating your EETV mini box has successfully connected and is ready to stream. Understanding these light patterns helps you quickly identify what stage of the connection process your device is in, making troubleshooting much more effective. When your EETV mini box shows a flashing orange light, it's time to troubleshoot the connection. We'll work through solutions step by step, starting with the quickest fixes. First, try these immediate actions that solve most connection problems within the first 5 minutes. Step 1. Power cycle your EETV mini box. Unplug the power cable for exactly 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and resets the network connection. Step 2. Verify your router is working properly. Check that the power light is solid, test your internet connection on other devices like your phone, and look for any service outage notifications from your internet provider. Step 3. Verify your Wi-Fi password is correct. Even if you think it's right, try entering it again. Sometimes passwords get corrupted in the device's memory. If the immediate actions didn't work, try these intermediate solutions that address more complex network issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi bands. The 2.4 GHz band has longer range but more interference, while 5 GHz offers faster speeds but shorter range. Your EETV mini box may work better on one band than the other. Download a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to identify less congested channels. These apps show you which channels have the least interference from neighboring networks, helping you optimize your router's performance. Check for firmware updates on both your EETV mini box and your router. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues and connection problems. Always restart both devices after applying updates. For persistent issues, these advanced solutions address deeper network configuration problems. Access your router's quality of service settings to prioritize streaming traffic. This ensures your EETV mini box gets sufficient bandwidth even when other devices are using the network heavily. If all else fails, perform a factory reset of your EETV mini box. This erases all settings and returns the device to its original state. Only use this as a last resort, as you'll need to set everything up again. Contact EE Technical Support if problems persist after trying all these solutions, if multiple devices are affected, or if you suspect hardware failure. They can run remote diagnostics and arrange replacement hardware if necessary. Remember to work through these solutions systematically, starting with the quickest fixes first. Most connection issues can be resolved with basic troubleshooting, but don't hesitate to seek professional help for persistent problems.